Hey, good morning, everyone. So I have this Ford here, this older F-150 that's dead. So I'm going to try to jump start it with a new jump starter that I got. It's actually just a starter that I keep in my car for emergencies. First time I'm ever using it, though. Let me show you what I got. So this little bad boy here, I bought it off of Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I don't remember what it was. It was like 80 bucks or 100 bucks, something like that. But it's just something I wanted to keep in the car because you could charge your phones, stuff like that. It's got a neat little port here to do stuff like that. So the battery's stone dead, even though it's a relatively new battery. It's a diehard. It died. But it's an older F-150. Let me just show you here. Matter of fact, it's stone dead. Well, not stone dead. It's got a little bit of power. So I've never used this before. I'm going to find out how this works. So I'm assuming I take this and plug it in here. Like such. Okay, now it lights up. Let's hook it up and see what we got. See how well this bad boy actually works. So we're going to put red to positive, even though positive on this is black cables. I know it's positive because it's going right over here to the starter solenoid. I'm going to go negative right there. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to hit anything or if it automatically does it. I just heard a clicking in it. Maybe that's all I need. Let's find out. Oh, there we go. That actually did pretty well. I'm impressed. Because this thing, even on a good day, had a hard time starting. It's been sitting here for a while, as you can tell. We got some flat tires. It's been sitting for a long time. You can tell it's got some debris. It's got plant life growing in it. Got Bud Lights. And it's a stick shift. Inline 6. Alright, I call that a win for this. I'm going to unhook it. Whoa, look at that. That's good. Just going to have to look into that connection. Alright, well, alright, worked great. That's exactly what I needed it to do. And, I'm going to go charge that thing back up so this way I have it for the next time. Something good to just have in the car in case you ever need it. It's been sitting in my car now for, I don't know, 3-4 months, haven't touched it. So first time I used it, worked out perfect. That's it, guys. If you like my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day and keep wrenching.